Is it time to buy or sell IQSTEL stock? In this video, we will explore IQSTEL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of July, 2025, our system has categorized IQSTL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -8.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 26.21%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.54% since it was identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further declines ahead. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 26.59% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 44.20% to an increase of 10.79%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis anticipates a projected change of -23.48%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary widely from a complete loss of all value to an increase of 194.86% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $19.76. Our latest daily update for IQSTL includes the headline, "A very red day for IQSTL Inc. stock price after a decline of 6.42% in the Tuesday trading session." The IQSTL Inc. stock price decreased by 6.42% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, falling from $7.16 to $6.70. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.75%, with a day low at $6.65 and a day high of $7.16. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, marking a total decrease of 19.66% during this period. Trading volume rose on the last day by 41,000 shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that risk could increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 86,000 shares were exchanged, totaling approximately $577,501. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $32.68, while the lowest price was 12.6 cents. Currently, the stock price stands 79.5% or $25.98 below the 52-week high and 97.57% or $269.30 below the all-time high recorded on the 13th of December, 2018, when the price peaked at $276. IQSTL is demonstrating a noticeable shift in momentum. In the second quarter, the company reported assets per share amounting to $17.41, alongside a net shareholder equity increase to $14,290,000. Additionally, a debt reduction of $3,500,000 is anticipated in the third quarter. Preliminary revenue for July is estimated at approximately $35 million, propelling the company beyond a $400 million annualized run rate, significantly ahead of projections. This supports first-half revenue of $128,800,000 and aligns with a strategic goal of reaching $1 billion by the year 2027. Operationally, IQSTL is expanding its focus from telecommunications to artificial intelligence and high-margin services. The company has launched IQ2 Call, deployed AirWeb agents in collaboration with Onar, and signed a memorandum of understanding with Securian that includes an equity exchange and a distribution of shares as dividends. In the short term, these positive developments, along with the momentum for uplisting and partnership announcements, could rekindle investor interest and drive an increase in share prices as liquidity and analyst coverage expand. Looking further ahead, recurring artificial intelligence products, improved gross margins, and bolt-on mergers and acquisitions could facilitate a sustained re-rating, provided that execution and integration are successful. Conversely, failure to scale operations, integrate acquisitions, or maintain margins may pressure the company's valuation, despite the recent positive headlines. Analysts have assigned IQSTEL stock an overall strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also regarded as strong sell, along with the price-to-book ratio. In terms of return on investment, the analysts continue to rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for IQSTL. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The IQSTL Inc. stock presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at the levels of $7.53 and $8.97. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 49.62%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is an ongoing sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Although IQSTL Inc. experienced increased volume on the last trading day, this occurred alongside declining prices. In technical terms, this phenomenon is referred to as divergence and may serve as an early warning. While in some instances, rising volume amid falling prices can be viewed as a positive sign, this is primarily true in typical sell-offs. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 55 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 41 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for IQSTL. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience considerable fluctuations throughout the day, characterized by a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, indicating that it is considered high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 515/100ths between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 7.75%. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 6.85%. Before we delve into the potential favorable trading levels for IQSTEL, let us briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, there is the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This significant measure reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losses. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to factors outside of their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at negative 470 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IQSTEL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for IQSTEL is at $7.10. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there's no stop loss in place. Is IQSTEL stock a good buy? IQST Inc. shows several negative indicators and exists within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we anticipate IQSTEL will open higher by 135 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $6.84. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.